Ethereum is still one of the most profitable cryptos on the market, and I am going to teach you how to make 2.5 Ethereum per day. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online smartly. In this video, I will show you how to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day by using the website I am about to teach you to generate free Ethereum. What is great about this strategy is that it does not require any special equipment, knowledge, or expertise, and you can start making money right after watching this video. You don't have to be concerned about your location because these apps are available all around the world and are quite simple to use. All you have to do now is make sure you watch the entire video to avoid missing any crucial information. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Guys, the website that we will be using for this strategy will be latium.org. So what exactly is Latium? So Latium is a freelancing platform where freelancers can find work, and those who need specific tasks completed can use this website to complete such projects. So basically, you may work as a freelancer on this website and make money by performing various jobs for various people. Latium is similar to Fiverr, except unlike Fiverr, you don't need a skill or any prior experience. You can literally start making money as a newbie by doing this. They deal in a variety of cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance, and Dashcoin. The caveat is that this website only pays you in cryptocurrency. They do not pay you in cash or credits of any kind. That implies you can earn pretty much whatever currency you want from this website, whichever currency you desire. So, how does it function? This area is for the clients. So if we scroll down, we can see all of the different features they have and how much they pay for each one. We can see that they have multiple project categories over here. Now, gentlemen, I am going to show you a category that does not require any ability or expertise. But if you do have any skills, you can certainly get money from them as well. It is entirely up to you how you want to spend your time. Guys, there is a button at the bottom that says Work as a Freelancer. So I will click it, which will then send me to the sign up page. So simply enter your email address, followed by your username and password, and you are good to go. We started with step 1, which was just signing up on latium.org, and now we will move on to step 2. Step 2. After you have successfully joined up, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, they have highlighted some of their most key features such as low project fees and information on how to validate your account, acquire more work, and get verified. To work on this platform, you do not need to be verified. So if you click on freelancer plans over here, we can view all of their plans. So first, they offer a free plan, then a $12 plan, and finally a $9 plan. They also have the Get Verified plan over here, as well as the Latium Pro. So as you all know, it is better if you subscribe to a premium plan, but you may get started right away with the free plan as well. It is not a problem. So simply hover your cursor over the For Freelancers column and select projects I'm working on. Now you will be sent to all of the projects you are working on right now. So you don't have any right now, but soon you will have a lot of them, and you will need to know where they are all. As a result, all of your projects will be in one place and you can go through them one by one whenever you want. So all you have to do now is go to Browse, and you'll be able to see all of the projects that are available. So we can see that individuals are spending a lot of money to do some really basic activities over here. Like this company that is looking for a new logo and will pay you between $100 and $500 for it. Then there is an ad for a sales funnel website that has to be edited, for which you will be paid $200 to $275. Then there's the client with a budget of $500 to $600 who only requires YouTube video assets and ongoing support. So all of these folks are desperate for jobs and are willing to pay a high price for it. So if we scroll down, and we can see that the rate continues to rise. But since all of these services demand some level of competence, you will not be able to execute them right now. However, you can do so by going over to the left side and clicking on Usability Testing. Now when you click on Usability Testing, you will be taken to a different website. Now on this website, you can view a variety of employment in a variety of industries. So far, the first one has paid us $10 to $11 for simply testing a new calendar notification configuration. Then we have a job that will pay us around $10 for simply registering, confirming our login, and then using the app for an hour. Then there's a test of the download app. These are all simple tasks that everyone can complete. So in general, you will be testing different applications, new services, and new applications that people are working on to ensure that they don't have any flaws. So this will be a long-term job for you because thousands upon thousands of new applications are submitted each month. So there is a job advertising for 2 to 3 testers for a 20-hour testing contract over here, guys. So they will give you between $200 and $275 for it. I am just going to open this up to show you how job applications operate. So I opened this up and saw the title at the top, followed by the project budget on the right side. As a result, a smart rule of thumb is to keep inside your client's budget but never underbidding. So if the customer has a budget of $225 to $275, you should bid something like $260 since that will be a nice bid and will show the client that you actually know how much you are worth. So before you bid, read through all of the instructions that the client has provided. After that, simply place your bid over here and then type in a message saying, "Hi, I am interested in this job, so if you need a good QA, well then I am definitely the person for it." Now that will show the person reading your job application that you are the real deal and that you can definitely do this job. You can now do this for all of these jobs and discover which payment methods they accept over here. So as you can see, we have certain jobs that pay in Bitcoin and some clients who pay in dollars. So guys, it doesn't really matter because all of your earnings will be kept in this wallet up top. So when I click on wallet, it takes me to a different page. I can now see my overall balance and earnings in all of these different currencies from these locations. So here is the current exchange rate for all of these currencies, and then I will be able to see how much money I have over here. It makes no difference whether currency they pay in, since once you have all the money, all you have to do is deposit it into your account and then you are done. At the end of the day, all you need is money in your pocket, and this website will most certainly provide that. You don't need to be concerned about anything because everything has already been taken care of here. All you have to worry about is finding the time and staying consistent enough to apply to various jobs on this website. Once you have gone through all of the positions on this page, simply scroll down to find even more, because the more jobs you bid on, the better chances of landing a good job are. So folks, make sure you bid as much as you possibly can to maximize your earning potential on this website. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.